Have you ever been so proud of your beautiful whipped cream, then watched it melt into a sad, wet puddle? Or pulled out your fluffy whipped cream from the fridge just to find a sad pile of watery mush? Yeah, me too. And I am so sick of it. I want to show you my solution. It's called Easy Gel, and it's my go to fix for, well, everything, especially sad whipped cream. It's gluten free, vegan, non GMO, and flavorless, and it fixes your problems without adding anything crazy to your food. Now, I want to show you how to use it. I'm Naomi, and welcome back to the Cornaby's kitchen. Our family has been cooking from scratch and putting up food from our Utah land for more than 5 generations. Every recipe we share comes straight from that heritage. If you're new here, hit subscribe and join us at the table. I grew up watching my mom and grandma use Easy Gel every day as they cooked. And when I got older, I got to learn what it is. Easy Gel is an instant starch made from non GMO corn. It's light and fluffy, which is super nice because it works in hot or cold liquids almost instantly. My grandma Janet and great grandpa Cornaby developed the product back when my mom was a kid, and it's been in our family's kitchen for more than 35 years. Unlike gelatin or regular cornstarch, it works instantly without cooking. And maybe best of all, it holds for days in the fridge or freezer, which for whipped cream means your desserts will actually last. This recipe is super easy. All we're gonna need is a pint of whipped cream, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, half a cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of Easy Gel. We're gonna combine our vanilla and cream in a large bowl. And in our small bowl, we'll combine Easy Gel and powdered sugar. This step will prevent clumping. We'll start by mixing the wet ingredients, and we'll gradually sprinkle in our dry mix. We'll beat it until it's light and fluffy. And just like that, we are all ready to use our whipped cream. Just look at how smooth and creamy it is. We can pipe it, refrigerate it, and use it in all our favorite recipes. This recipe is one of our family favorites that we have been loving for generations. It's an old school strawberry shortcake. Our ancestors crossed the plains in the early 1800s, and they were some of the original settlers in Utah. They made a similar cake when the strawberries came on in late summer. And I'm going to make it the same way my great grandma Lucy did. And it's so simple. It's a combination of biscuits, jam, and fresh strawberries and whipped cream. I remember going into her pantry to see rows and rows of bottled food, green beans, tomato sauce, and everything she could make from her garden. But my favorite has always been her strawberry jam. We make it so we can share her legacy with all of you. We're just going to slather it on our biscuits, and we'll add some fresh strawberries and top it with whipped cream. And there you are. Now you can take it out onto your back porch and enjoy it with your family. This last recipe is one I use almost every day. My family has a lot of people with special diets, which means having a simple, gluten-free, low-carbs option is a huge lifesaver. This is perfect for anyone eating low carb, keto, or just trying to cut back on sugar because everyone deserves a sweet treat. And it's so good you really can't tell the difference. All we do is swap out our powdered sugar for powdered allulose. Allulose is a rare sugar that actually has a positive effect on your blood sugar. Our Nutresa product swaps 1 for 1 with normal sugar, so a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar swaps for a 1/4 cup of allulose. I've always loved raspberries and cream growing up, but now with allulose, I can share my favorite childhood treat with everyone in my family, and we can all enjoy it without second thoughts. It's low carb, creamy, and so yummy, I wish you could just taste it through the screen. This is what Cornaby's is about. Fresh, simple foods for the full family to enjoy together. You can order our products on our website and from the links below. If you make any of these, tag us on social. I love seeing what comes out of your kitchen. We at Cornaby's believe everyone deserves healthy, yummy food all year long. Thank you for joining me at the table. And don't forget to join our newsletter for weekly discounts and more recipes. See you next time.